Okay guys, remember this car? Well, yeah, it's back finally. We're ready to get into this full build. We got a lot of videos ahead of us. This is gonna go right down to the bones. We're gonna start building a car the proper way and not how it was built the first time. Let's get into it. So guys, that's a wrap for today. Got a lot done. Wiper cowls out, the linkage, the hood, the fenders, the bumpers, the headlights. We are ready to go other than drop the motor out itself with the transmission. And now we just have to figure out what we want to do. So we've got a whole set HX40 coming with the custom manifold. But do we run no air conditioning? Do we delete the power steering? Free up the area in here? Relocate the alternator to the back of the motor? So that's an option. I don't think the car's going to see much street use, so air conditioning may not be a big deal. But yeah, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, what you'd like to see from the car. So we got a lot to do and a lot happening. Yeah, we're still moving in, but got some goodies from our friends at Carbonetics. So some wide fenders. It's got lots and lots to do in the car. So next week's episode, we'll get into the interior, get the rest of it removed, start taking off the wheels and getting the car further stripped down. So lots coming up, guys. Subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.